Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Rasta man and the hood, yeah man. Them tell we say diamonds are shine, but me say give me the urban sunshine. Gold and silver can't feed soul. Them build prison, me walk jagol. Me na inna no Gucci cloth. Me wear me roots, me bun them fraud. Me step on earth barefoot and strong. Me sing for Zion, me chant me song. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Me plant me seeds and wait for feast. Me nah run race for who a drive Benz. Me ride rhythm, me build from friends. Give me roots over riches, love over fame. Me trod with lion heart, me bun them shame. Inna the hills, me smoke and pray. No mansion coulda buy me way. Me rich in spirit, me wealthy still. Cause Jah provide and guide me will. Me no need 10 chain round neck. Me need coconut and hammock check. Me no beg likes on social screen. Me live me life like reggae queen. Me sweep me yard, me grow me food. Me sing in key, me change the mood. Me dep on mission, no competition. Me bring the healing, the real nutrition. From Portland coast to Kingston yard. Me carry roots music like old postcard. Them try fi sell culture like it's a brand, but me live it real, hand to hand. Me wealth no lie in Voltaire Bank. Me store it in rhythm, in ganja plank. Me measure success by calm and joy. Me chant with elders, me build no destroy. Me write with ink of discipline. Me pen me life from deep within. Me no shame fi cry, me no afraid fi feel. Cause real Rasta man a move real. Give me roots over riches, truth over hype. Me sit in silence, me bun the mic. Me rich in faith, me fill with love. Me step on Babylon, rise above. Me wealth not fade like fashion way. Me trod with drum and smoke all day. One little spliff on me rising light. Me nah wait for no Friday night. Every day me reason with Jah. Me nah wait for stage or camera. Me cook ital with fire stick. Me sing ya bingy when rhythm kick. Me teach me youth bout balance and breath. Me tell them money can't buy debt. Them system flashy but empty still. Me choose the mountain, me choose Jah will. Me heart is full, me belly fed. Me sleep in peace, no fear, no dread. So when you see me humble and calm, know me protect me soul like Psalm. Me chant for ones who not yet free. Me send this vibe across the sea. Me nah wear crown, me wear me smile. Me trod this earth, Rasta style. And though them chase diamonds and checks, me rich with herbs pon me neck. No cushy na the bang ya man. Come on. Me rise up early, hills them blue. Birds them a sing like them know truth too. Steam from me kettle curl like cloud. Jah whisper in breeze, not too loud. Me sit on the rock, me eyes them close. The wind attack in poetic prose. A spliff in a hand, me soul it roam. Me temple na concrete, is mountain me home. Can you hear the mountain call? A voice so ancient it shake the wall. Breathe the smoke and feel the drum. Nature speak and wisdom come. It's not just weed, it's sacrament. A portal open, me soul ascent. Me nah run fast, me trod with grace. The mountain teach me Jah's own face. Underneath the cedar tree, me learn say freedom no come free. It's not just ganja in a me palm. It's balance, love and sacred calm. Me sight a lizard, watch me move. Even the creatures them feel the groove. Me wrap the leaf like ancient scroll and blaze a message from me soul. Me hear them say Babylon bright, but me prefer the moonlight night. Me nah need gold, me nah want praise. Me just need truth in a natural way. Rasta nah come fi entertain. Me come fi cleanse the heart from pain. Me chant and burn the holy flame. Me nah play hype, me nah seek fame. Call of the mountain echo strong. Through the smoke and sacred song, me feel the wind, it carry me thought. To Zion gate, me vision caught. Blaze the pipe, my mind expand. Me see Jah work in sea and land. Steam rise high like Rastaman prayer. It float to Jah, yes, everywhere. Me sit in silence, eyes them low. Time slow down, me spirit glow. Me sister and grind, me bread a light. Together we chant through the night. Me hear the Naya Bingi sound. In every rock, in every ground. The rhythm natural, the bass is deep. Me meditate until me sleep. A journey starts with barefoot step. Not in a city where hearts forget, but on the trail through roots and vine, where man and earth align divine. Me leave the stress of modern day and find me peace the Rasta way. A sip of tea, a touch of breeze. Me soul find rest, me heart find ease. Can you hear the mountain cry? It sing of love beneath the sky. It call me back to source and root, to plant me soul like sacred fruit. Steam and rhythm, dub and flame. Me rise in love, not just name. Call of the mountain, never lie. It's Jah who chant through breeze and sky. Me wake up early, sun just rise. Me wake up early, sun just rise. Me wake up early, sun just rise. Me give thanks for life, me open me eyes. Steam from the chalice, me take one draw. Me feel Jah's spirit, me standing me no walk like sheep, me walk like king. Me know me roots, me crown me bring. Babylon push fear, me push peace. Me burn them lies, me chant release. Me nah beg friend, me trust Jah way. Me blaze me path, me light me day. The lion no worry about them trap. Me heart beat dub, me soul stay strapped. Lion trod with head held high. Through smoke and storm, me still fly. Me no back down, me never chanting rain, me dancing flame. Me nah look likes, me nah want fame. Me only want truth, me only want life. One drop of peace, no need for strife. Ganja is key, ganja a guide. Open me soul and clear me pride. It's not just smoke, it's meditation. A tool for break manipulation. Me sit on rock, me sight the tree. Me reason with leaves, them talk to me. Me grind it slow, me chant me line. Me give thanks, me feel divine. Me na lost in cloud, me find me mind. Me let go it, me stay aligned. From Ethiopia to Jam down shore, Rasta chant, still strong, still pure. Me fire burn from deep inside. Me no play small, me no run hide. Me carry touch from ancient time. Me lyrics real, me flow like rhyme. Me they have to teach, not just perform. Me sing through silence, me ride this storm. Me voice a sword, me words a seed. Me plant the truth and upgrow. Lion walk through concrete streets, but me steps still sacred, me heart still beat. Me light, me chalice, me lift me soul. Me trod through life, fi reach Jah goal. Me nah stray, me nah bow. Me stand tall, right here and now. Lion's way is path of flame. Me move with love, me chant your name. Me carry me locks like tree bear fruit. Me deep like sea, me firm in root. Me reason daily, me stay alert. Me protect me temple, me not get hurt. Me know them system no want we rise, but Jah hide upon we. Look to skies, me walk with earth under me feet. Me link with sun, me soul complete. Me travel world, but me never lost. Me carry Zion, whatever the cost. Me no need plane, fi reach me place. Me find it through prayer, through smoke, through grace. So when you see me blaze and smile, know me fight war in a humble style. Me na raise gun, me raise vibration. Me bring one love for every nation.
Nah, nah, nah. Give me the paper, yeah, man. Early dawn, the fire lit. Me roll a healing, me soul commit. One drop play, me spirit sway. Silence talk in 1,000 way. Steam from cup, me mind feel clean. Me sight beyond what eyes have seen. Me no check phone, me check me breath. Me reason with life and dance with death. Smoke and silence blend like gold. Inna the breeze, me story told. One draw lift, me far from stress. Me land in peace, me clothing blessed. It's not for hype, not for show. It's meditation, let it flow. No rush, no war, no fight. Just love and herbs and morning light. Me life no flashy, but me free. Me eat, I tell, live simply. No meat, no lie, no toxic sound. Me ground with earth, me soul stay sound. Me not a twist like roots them deep. Me dream with eyes, me walk in sleep. Me study stars, me chant alone. Me dwell in silence, build me home. Me now wait for man to validate. Me walk through fire with righteous faith. Me know the plant bring ancient key to open doors them hide from we. Me look in mirror, see me king. Me voice not scream, but still it sing. Me not rebel, me just aware. Me speak with love, but still me there. Smoke and silence guide me way through darkest night and brightest day. A little spliff, a gentle hum. Me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. It's It's not escape, it's revelation. It's love through smoke, a meditation. Me sit and breathe, me float so high. Me talk with Jah inside me sky. Me no born weed, just for joke. Is how me reason when word choke. Me see how Babylon confused, but me choose nature, me choose roots. Me no need no badge or flag, just ganja leaf in a humble bag. Me no need likes or fame on screen. Me need me peace, me keep it clean. Me born again each time me draw. Me write me psalms without the law. Me build me temple out a vibe. Me link with spirit, me soul revive. Rasta no preach, me live instead. Me keep it light, no heavy dread. Me show me youth another way. Fi live with truth each blessed day. Smoke and silence carry me across the hills, across the sea. Me sing for Jah, me praise with tone. But me strongest word is when me alone. Light up fire, inhale deep. Let go pain, you try to keep. One love, one draw, one light. Zion echo.
Na 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 ganja, jungling at the Jamaica. Yeah man. In the silence of the night, me hear the call. Whisper from the trees, them rise and fall. Ancient spirits dance in a wind, telling stories about the fire within. Me light a candle, chant a prayer, cleanse me soul from worldly fear. Me not chase no gold or fame. Me seek the truth, not play no game. Me feel the drum beat deep in me bones. Guide me path when me walk alone. The mystic fire, it blaze so bright, burning lies, revealing light. Mystic fire, blaze up in me. Show I the way, set I spirit free. In the dark, I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's ark. Me climb the mountain, chant Rastafari. Thunder clap and the eagle fly. Me hold that chalice, reason with star. No say Jah never far. Babylon try fi confuse the youth, but me drop rhythm like holy truth. Me words them heal, them rise like tide. Even in pain me nah run, me ride. Me wear me crown of roots and leaf. Me live me days beyond belief. Meditation, me daily food. Me walk with lion heart through the wood. Mystic fire, blaze up in me. Show I the way, set I spirit free. In the dark, I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's ark. Chanting under full moonlight tight. Smoke rise, me vision bright. Rhythm deep like ocean floor. Me nah beg, me rise, me soar. Them system try control me breath, but Rasta chant put lies to death. Me soul na sell, me path divine. Me reason with trees and ancient sign. Them build the walls, me walk through still. Me hold firm, Jah give me will. Me skank through fire, me feel no flame. Cause me heart already tame. Me voice echo in a valley deep. Awaken ones them longer sleep. Me words like keys, unlock the mind. Set the chain soul free from bind. Me nah carry grudge, me carry grace. Me blaze herbs in a sacred place. Me lift me hands and give up praise to Jah who guide through all me days. Mystic fire, blaze up in me. Show I the way, set I spirit free. In the dark, I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's ark. When the world fall quiet, me still chant strong.
Me know where me belong. Me heart beat like thunder drum, and to the fire me always come.
Meditation. Deep with Rasta, yeah man. Rise up, sun pon the mountain top. First light kiss, me dreadlock drop. Birds them sing like them know the way. New day dawn and me give Jah praise. Me wash me face with the cool stream flow. Blessings come from roots, me know. No worry about stress or the Babylon mess. Me puff a little herb, me release the press. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes pon the earth revealing. Me walk barefoot pon the red earth clay. Me reason with itself through Jah way. The mango ripe, the breeze so sweet. Me chant one psalm with a nyaya bingy beat. Me nah follow no clock or time. Me follow the stars and the ancient sign. Every inhale a holy rite. Me mind levitate in the morning light. One drop rhythm pon me soul again. Me nah fight life, me ride the rain. Me nah take stress from system chain. Me live free like lion in a plane. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes pon the earth revealing. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes pon the earth revealing. Me sit under tree like the prophet of old. Me close me eye and the silence bold. Breathe in Jah love, exhale the fear. Me inner voice speak, me mind get clear. Me sight the beauty in every sound. From crickets to leaves, them touch the ground. Each moment sacred, each step a prayer. Rasta walk with love everywhere. So blaze up the morning with peace and light. One spliff, one chant, and all feel right. Give thanks for life, give thanks for time. Me soul in tune with Jah design. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes pon the earth revealing. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes pon the earth revealing. Ayayay. Zion lion, yeah man. Me pack me bag but no shoes inside. Barefoot treading on Jalan wide. Me leave behind the city nice. Fi hear the wind and Zion voice. Me na follow road paved in gold. Me follow vibes, me follow old. Ancestral whispers in a me head. Tell me stories of prophets long dead. Rasta nomad, me travel free. From jungle deep to mountain tree. No passport needed for Jah domain. Me walk with love through sun and rain. Me sleep on stone, me rest in shade. Me give thanks for all Jah made. The river speak speak, the breeze reply. Me ask questions to the open sky. In a forest, me chant them psalm. Me heart beat steady, me soul stay calm. Me bona spliff on morning dew. Me vision clear, me heart feel true. Rasta nomad, me travel free. From jungle deep to mountain tree. No passport needed for Jah domain. Me walk with love through sun and rain. Me meet a sister in a dead dust. She speaking light, she speaking trust. She say keep walking, no look back. Jah guide the feet on righteous track. Me see a brother in a ocean blue. Him chant with waves, him spirit true. We share a spliff, we share some fruit. No rich, no poor, just soul and root. Me journey not just cross hills and me walk deep inside Jah promised land. Me sit in silence, me floating dream. Me soul become one with the stream. Rasta nomad, me travel free. From jungle deep to mountain tree. No passport needed for Jah domain. Me walk with love through sun and rain. Me nah seek throne, me nah seek crown. Me seek Jah light in every
Ayayay, Zion Lion man. Me pack me bag but no shoes inside. Barefoot treading on Jah land wide. Me leave behind the city noise. Fi hear the wind and Zion voice. Me na follow road, paved in gold. Me follow vibes, me follow all. Ancestral whispers inna me head. Tell me stories of prophets long dead. Rasta nomad, me travel free. From jungle deep to mountain tree. No passport needed, fi Jah domain. Me walk with love through sun and rain. Me sleep on stone, me rest in shade. Me give thanks for all Jah made. The river speak, the breeze reply. Me ask questions to the open sky. In a forest, me chant them psalms. Me heart beat steady, me soul stay calm. Me bona spliff on morning dew. Me vision clear, me heart feel true. One fire, one flame, me soul ignite. One herb, one name, Jah give me sight. One world, one breath, me walk alone. Yet everywhere me go, Jah call me home. Rasta nomad, me travel free. From jungle deep to mountain tree. No passport needed for Jah domain. Me walk with love through sun and rain. Me meet a sister in a desert dust. She speaking light, she speaking trust. She say keep walking, no look back. Jah guide the feet on righteous track. Me see a brother in a ocean blue. Him him chant with waves, him spirit true. We share a spliff, we share some fruit. No rich, no poor, just soul and root. Me journey not just cross hills and sand. Me walk deep inside Jah promised land. Me sit in silence, me floating dream. Me soul become one with the stream. Rasta nomad, me travel free. From jungle deep to mountain tree. No passport needed, fi Jah domain. Me walk with love through sun and rain. Me nah seek throne, me nah seek crown. Me seek Jah light in every town.
Ayayay. Let the session begin, brother. The wave them crash pan concrete wall, but truth deeper than them all. Me say system set the game, but nature call Jah name. Them try bury with history, but roots grow wild and free. Them say harder but bringing pain. We say justice with serene. Cameras watch from every street, but Jah eyes bigger, them can't compete. We not play them puppet show. We move with wind, we river flow. Every lie build Babylon high, but truth rise up, touch the sky. Them can't drown what born for fight. The tide of truth come every night. Tide of truth, it can't be stopped. Rise up strong when system flop. We push, we pull, we break the chain. We flood them wall like righteous rain. Tide of truth, deep and bold, more precious than silver and gold. Babylon crumble, truth remain. We ride Jah wave through every strain. Me say wake up from hypnotize. Them feed your fear, them sell your lies. And me say youth man take the lead. Plant the truth like sacred seed. We not bow to money game. Feel me soul can't carry shame. Them say rule, them say law, but Jah power higher than all. Me nah get trapped in TV frame. Me vision clear, me call Jah name. Every river, every tree, remind we who we born to be. Storm come but roots grow deep. Jah promise me forever keep. Me nah let no system win. Truth rise like a tide within. Tide of truth, it can't be stopped. Rise up strong when system flop. We push, we pull, we break the chain. We flood them wall like righteous rain. Tide of truth, deep and bold, more precious than silver and gold. Babylon crumble, truth remain. We ride Jah wave through every strain. Me hear the elders chant at dawn. Wisdom live on and on. Them can't erase we sacred song. We heartbeat fierce, we spirit strong. So me step out on the front line. Chant the truth in every line. Just soldier nah retreat. We walk firm on Zion Street. So when the tide rise up tonight, hold tight to the guiding light. Babylon wall can't stand tall. Truth flood and cleanse them all. Ayayay, Rasta roll this spliff, yeah man. This your song for the warriors, for the dreamers, for the seekers. Every heartbeat a rebel drum. Get ready, the time has come. Them build the wall, hide them call it law. But me spirit say me can't withdraw. Chains are glisten, made of gold. But freedom story now get old. Them push poison in the air we breathe. Them sell false hope like a seed. But true wisdom grow wild and free. Me nah bow to them money tree. Babylon voice, a loud and slick. But me soul tuned to Zion pick. Me hear the whisper in the breeze, calling out Jah prophecy. Me say enough of the mind control. Me take back me body, me take back soul. From concrete jungle to mountain top, the revolution not stop. Chains breaker anthem, sing it loud. We rise up high, we proud. No matter how this storm them send, freedom fire never end. Chains break a rhythm, feel the beat. Power rise from under we feet. One love, one aim, one flame. Babylon can't tame the name. Me watch the people hypnotize, living life behind fake eyes. But deep down, the truth still glow. Like river stream, it start to flow. We not fi take no fake injection. Spirit strong, divine protection. Me say detox from the lie. Raise your voice up to the sky. Them set the trap inna the school. Teach obedience like a rule. But me say teach the youths the way. Sovereign mind feel like the day. The system quake when we unite. One heart, one love ignite. From the slum to the hills afar, we shine bright like morning star. Them can't suppress your vibration. Truth cut deeper than nation. We are the children of the sun. The battle already won. Chains breaker anthem, sing it loud. We rise up high, we proud. No matter how this storm them send, freedom fire never end. Chains break a rhythm, feel the beat. Power rise from under we feet. One love, one aim, one flame. Babylon can't tame the name. Beside the elders, stand up tall. Guardians of Jah, laugh all. Roots dig deep in sacred ground. The heartbeat of Zion sound. New generation rise with might. Eyes open wide, ready for fight. Not with guns, not with sword, but with truth and Jah word. Me chant for the ones who fall, the martyrs who answer the call. We not fee, forget them name. Them lights still burn the flame. So when them try to pull you down, remember you wear the crown. Chains breaker anthem live long. Zion people forever strong. Zion echoes, yeah man. Step out on the battlefield. Jah light as me shield, truth reveal. Kingston vibes make the wicked man kneel. Rasta soldier, no retreat, no yield. Them can't stop the fire, we burn from the heart. Babylon crumble, them system not smart. Jah give we the strength, fi play we part. We rise up the banner from the very start. Them set them traps, but we a break them chain. Me chant Jah name in a sunshine or rain. Them want silence we, but Jah love remain. Me say the lion roar, make the whole earth sustain. The ghetto youth them rise with hope in them eye. The struggle heavy, but Jah love can't die. We blaze up the fire till the evil run dry. The righteous warrior, me can't deny. Righteous warrior, we fight for the truth. Roots and culture for the ghetto youth. Them can't silence Jah flute. We chant the psalms with enough salute. From the hilltop the message echo clear. We chant for love, we can't live in fear. Them take the land, but Jah kingdom near. Righteous warrior, Jah guide and steer. Them say the righteous road too narrow fi tread, but we hold Jah vibes and no bother we dread. The mission strong, Rasta nah look back. We burn Babylon lies, make the truth unlock. Selassie crown me with the fire of peace. Babylon system can't make we cease. The youths a chant high, the vibes increase. From Kingston streets to overseas. Righteous warrior, we fight for the truth. Roots and culture for the ghetto youth. Them can't silence Jah flute. We chant the psalms with enough salute. Oh Jah, send the blessings rain. Fi heal the hearts where you carry the pain. The wicked them plot, but them fight in vain. Jah light a the torch, make the love sustain. We no care if the road get rough. We hold Jah and Rasta vibes strong enough. From the fire rise, we make the wicked back off. Selassie I vibes make we heart full of love. Me say warrior, rise upon the battlefield. The shield of truth, Jah light where we wield. The sword of justice, Babylon can't conceal. We chant Selassie I name fi make the whole world heal. Me say we roots strong like the Iroko tree. Them can't cut the branch where Rasta decree. The lion roar loud make the oppressors flee. From the heights of Zion to the deep blue sea. Yeah man, righteous warrior for life. Fight for love, avoid the strife. Jah blessings flow, make the world unite. One love me say, Rasta vibes ignite.
Ayayay, ayayay.
Break the false matrix system. Yeah man, let's go. Me say them flash diamond, flash the gold, but me roots worth more than all them old. Them buy silence with paper face, but me stand firm in Jah grace. Me not chase vanity parade. Me build strength in nature's shade. Them system make you feel so small, but Jah remind me above it all. Every chain them forge with greed. We break it down, plant new seed. Freedom not come in the shopping cart. It grow deep in every heart. Me say riches fade like morning dew, but roots remain forever true. Them can't steal the fire inside. Me spirit strong, me nah hide. Roots over gold, that's me way. Rich in soul, every day. Babylon tempt, but can't win. We rise up from within. Roots over gold, pure and wise. Truth shine brighter than the lies. Hold the faith, let love unfold. Forever roots over gold. Them tell we obey and climb the ranks, but the ladder break, leave empty banks. Me say wisdom not come from suit and tie. It come from stars up in the sky. Look on earth, look on sea. Them teach we everything we need to be free. Them can't own what Jah create, but still them try manipulate. Me keep the ancient knowledge near. Now let them poison me with fear. Each generation stronger rise, with open heart and clear eyes. Inna the jungle or city streets, truth march steady to its beats. Let the roots grow, let them stretch. Not trade your blessings, fee no check. Roots over gold, that's me way. Rich in soul, every day. Babylon tempt, but can't win. We rise up from within. Roots over gold, pure and wise. Truth shine brighter than the light. off your truth. Them show glamour, but it fade. Jah foundation never trade. Me say build community strong. For that we chant this song. Together we higher, together we free. Together we hold the key. So when them wave goal in your face, remember your roots, your sacred place. No matter what Babylon unfold, we choose roots over gold.
Zion echoes, roar.
Rasta lion now bow down. Selassie I lead the way. Like a lion, me roar, Babylon can't tame. Fyah Pon I, Jah call me name. Inna the jungle, me rise and claim. Rasta man strong, we play no game. Them a try fi trap me inna the wicked scheme, but Jah light a guide me, protect me dream. Herbs inna me hand make the fire supreme. Truth inna me soul, me spirit beam. The lion a fear, we bold and wise. The wisdom of Jah open me eyes. From the ghetto to the hills, we rise and rise. Me chant Selassie I, no compromise. Like a lion, me roar, Babylon can't tame. Fyah Pon I, Jah call me name. Inna the jungle, me rise and claim. Rasta man strong, we play no game. The system a crumble, them can't hold we back. We trod through the fire, we step on track. The rhythm a me weapon, the words a me stack. Babylon a fall, them can't counteract. The ganja make the meditation clear. Jah wisdom inna me heart, me have no fear. Rasta lead the way, the time a near. Lion pass strong, make the wicked disappear. Roar for the freedom, roar for the youth. Roar for the justice, roar for the truth. Rasta man chant, me step on the proof. Babylon tremble, the lion aloof. Like a lion, me roar, Babylon can't tame. Fyah Pon I, Jah call me name. Inna the jungle, me rise and claim. Rasta man strong, we play no game. Selassie I guide, me stand so tall. Lion heart blazing, we nah go fall. From Zion to the earth, we answer the call. The lion a roar, blessings for all.
Me walk through the valley, the shadow of pain. Jah light guide me steps through the storm and rain. Me say me heart firm, me spirit remain. The journey long, but we no complain. The wicked them lurk, but me nah go stray. The fire of Jah make me pave me way. The ghetto full of trials, but Jah love stay. We chant Selassie I, make the world obey. For every tear we drop, Jah give we joy. The system try to break we, but Jah destroy. We hold firm to Jah love, it can deploy. Rasta never lose, we no fall fit ploy. Jah guide me steps, me walk on the light. The darkness flee, the path get bright. We chant the psalms, the vibes ignite. Jah blessings flow every day, every night. Me said the struggle's hard, but we stand strong. Jah protect me soul from the wicked man. Them set them trap, but Jah break the plan. Rasta trod forward, we no want no span. The love of Jah keep deeper than the ocean floor. We knock on Zion, get Jah open the door. The wicked them scatter when Jah lion roar. Me say we a soldier, we fight evermore. Babylon want fi control me life, but Jah cut the chain like a two-edged knife. We stand in the light, we no mix with strife. Rasta vibration fi balance the life. Jah guide me steps, me walk on the light. The darkness flee, the path get bright. We chant the psalms, the vibes ignite. Jah blessings flow every day, every night. Yeah man, Jah carry me through the stormy seas. Me heart at peace, Jah love at peace. We chant for the truth, Jah spirit increase. The fire of Zion, it never cease.
I know there's not canteen. It's 6 areas. The 6 way. Make your trains and make tune. Please.
That's over the low one there. Could all share it for you. Take whiskey gear the please to join and can contact road. So hello, my father with this one speed come with the time. So
I serve my tea.
wait I will see Australia. I feel decorative dress please. Clinton and the fan oil. Really for the cigarette with time so let's show they got chicks. I say those see I said I said it's your thing Chris. If a champion please try. So why is there? Someone takes the one with me.
Zion roots.
Yeah, yeah. Them blind we eyes, but we still see clear. The truth can't hide, it's always near. Them talk in a circle, them spread deep fear. But Rasta burn fire, we can't be weird. Me walk through the valley, me walk through the flame. Them a call me mad, but me know me name. The system weak, them a play them game. But Jah guide me step, me nah feel shame. Them try to lock we down with chains and bars, but me soul too free, me reach for the stars. Them poison the water, them poison the land. Still me hold strong, with Jah in me hand. Them build up walls, but we break them down. Me chant me psalms, me make the sound. The wicked them tremble, them can't be found. The lion roar, we run this town. Them want we silent, but we speak so loud. The truth a shine like the highest cloud. Them try confuse, but me nah go doubt. Me hold me faith, me chant it proud. We see them leaders, them full of greed. Them not help the poor, them plant bad seed. But me see the future, me know Jah lead. The fire burn high, the wicked bleed. Fyah Pon Di Lies, truth can't die. Jah guide, me reach the sky. Them can't stop we no matter how them try. The righteous rise, me spirit fly. Fire burn high, Babylon can't last. The people unite, we moving fast. One love strong, the future vast. The system weak, it bound to crash. Me sight beyond, me heart stay clean. Them try pollute, but me soul stay green. Jah light a shine, me walk between. The righteous rule, we reign supreme. Look how the people a cry. Babylon still a tell them lie. Them build up tower fi reach the sky, but Jah come, them can't deny. The ghetto youth them tired of fight. Still them push on, still hold the light. Me know Jah bless them day and night. Them can't break when me stand upright. The system one control the mind. Me nah go bow, me nah stay blind. Me chant me psalms, me words align. The truth arise, the wicked decline. The trumpet sound, them can't escape. Jah warrior strong. Zion echo, yeah. I slick on Zion echo. Skit Canada, oh. Them call me rebel, call me threat, cause me chant truth them can't forget. Me nah bow to no fake crown. My voice a fire burn Babylon down. Them try trap the mind with fear. Watch every step, every move me clear. But me spirit wild, my soul untamed. Me chanting Jah name, me nah be chained. System can't chain me soul. Me walk with Jah, me play me role. Them build wall, but me build drum. Beat true till Babylon done. Roots too deep, light too strong. We chant right, them systems wrong. Me chant for love, me chant for peace. For every art them try to cease. Me see the wires, me see the trap. Screens in face like digital slap. Them sell me dreams, but me nah buy. Me sight the truth behind the lie. Me stand with drum, me stand with word. Me chant with lion, me fly like bird. No machine can write me soul. Me born for chant, me born for roll. System can't chain me soul. Me walk with Jah, me play me role. Them build wall, but me build drum. Beat true till Babylon done. Me nah fear no badge, no name. My heart blaze up like holy flame. From roots to sky, me call the youth. Fi rise with love, fi walk in truth. So when them fall and silence ring, me still go rise and chant and sing. Cause soul not built by man control. And system can't change our soul. Me walk in a dream where stars them guide. Sky open wide and my soul collide with ancient tones from a higher plane, where no man lie and no art chain. The rhythm come from a timeless source. It move through blood like a sacred force. Me nah need weapon, me nah need crown. Me spirit rise while Babylon drown. Me hear thunder speak in Rasta tongue. Me see visions where them hide from young. In the forest deep, me find the key. Unlock truth with a melody. Echoes of the celestial drum, calling the warriors, hear them come. Riding the wind, chanting in fire. Burning illusion, lifting higher. No man can stop this holy tide. It rise from within, it spread worldwide. From Zion peak to concrete slum, we move in echoes of the celestial drum. Me dream not come from no book or screen. It born in silence, in moment clean. Where no algorithm can twist the way, and no fake leader can make me sway. Me walk with lion, me reason with tree. Them tell me stories of what we be. Before control, before this scheme. When love was law and life a dream. Me sip from river, me rest on stone. Me feel like I'm on truly home. Them say me lost, but me just see clear. The world gone blind, me not all fear. Echoes of the celestial drum, floating in fire, burning illusion, lifting higher. No man can stop this holy tide. It rise from within, it spread worldwide. From Zion peak to concrete slum, we moving echoes of the celestial drum. Missy spirits dance on desert sand. Them form the truth with ancient hand. Them sing in tone no ear can catch, but the soul respond. Me heart dispatch. Me build no temple, me build no wall. Me just chant truth till system fall. And when them try fi dim me flame, me light more wick and call Jah name. This not a rebel song fi hype. This a message from eternal type, from galaxies where we come from. Me sing the echoes of the celestial drum. Echoes of the celestial drum. Calling the world. Every moves we behave. Lassie I on the glow Johnny. Georgia rhymes from the bass. In naughty rats and all a selfish face. Sayings in the dialects. Apples and crumb think amazing big. Tapping as it drum big. Ryan I'm wanting to a raw what it. The first draw the morning me say bless Jah hand. Roll up the spliff, Boba Kush from the land. From the hills of Jamaica to the Cali sand. Every herb feed the Rasta way overstand. The herb elevate the mind, make me meditate. Selassie guide me step, me not deviate. Make the vibes flow clean, Rasta celebrate. Pure herbs fill we heart, keep it dedicate. Feel the blessings from Jah in the smoke we rise. Mystic vibes make me see clear through Jah eyes. The rhythm and the herb keep my soul in ties. Me give thanks for Jah underneath blue skies. The healing of the nation Babylon fear. Them try to keep the ganja from the youth everywhere, but we blaze up the chalice and we still prepare. Fi spread Jah message, make the people aware. Golden seal in my pipe, balance my way. Me say Selassie I bless me every night and day. With the fire in my heart, truth me display. Me chant Selassie I make Babylon sway. Feel the blessings from Jah in the smoke we rise. Mystic vibes make me see clear through Jah eyes. The rhythm and the herb keep my soul in ties. Me give thanks for Jah underneath blue skies. One love for the youth, one love for the poor. Herb in the chalice make my soul feel sure. The high vibes carry me to Zion door. Me feel Jah blessings forevermore. Roll up the wisdom, light up the flame. Chant Selassie, I call Jah name. Feed the herb and the truth, me love sustain. Blessings from Jah now go away again.
Zion echoes, ayayay, dawai kutika sakwaska. Herb feed the mind me about one time. With a little Afghan me I feel divine. Jah herb so sweet it a make me rhyme. Me a walk on the righteous line. Herb feed the mind me about one time. With a little Afghan me I feel divine. Jah herb so sweet it a make me rhyme. Me a walk on the righteous line. Bubbling chalice me pass
pass to me brethren from Westmoreland straight to the heavens. Cherry pie, me say it'll make me smile. Herb feed the journey every mile. The Babylon man, they want fi oppress, but Jah herb a bless, me soul caress. Me nah go stop, me nah go stray. Me burn me spliff till the break of day. Herb to the mind, me a burn one time. With a little Afghan, me a feel divine. Jah herb so sweet, it'll make me rhyme. Me a walk on the righteous line. Me say the herb a wisdom, the herb a guide. The fire blaze strong, me spirit collide. With me gelato strain, me a take a flight. Me a chant your name till the morning light. The healing herb, it a run through me vein. Me a feel the vibes, me can't complain. From the mountains high to the city low, Jah herb make the blessings flow. With the star dark strain, me a lift up high. Me a touch Jah sky, me a never lie. Me give thanks for the gift Jah provide. The healing herb, it a be me guide. So pass the chalice, make we all a vibe. The herb unite, no care the tribe. From the ghetto youth to the hills above. Herb for the people, herb for the love. The star dog I am free. The healing herb, it a be me guide. So pass the chalice, make we all a vibe. The herb unite, no care the tribe. From the